So how do you improve your IELTS listening scores? Well, there's a few things, practical things that you can do in order to improve your scores. Number one, get listening. It is amazing how many people say they want a band 8 in listening but never listen to English, or very, very rarely, maybe once a week in their English class, or for 10 minutes a day or something like that. You need to get into the habit of listening to English every single day. And this is so easy because we carry around our mobile phones with us, and there's an unlimited amount of TED Talks and YouTube videos and radio shows and podcasts that you can listen to every single day. And it doesn't have to be boring. You can listen to something that is enjoyable to listen to. There is an unlimited number of podcasts, for example. Listen to something you enjoy listening to and you will naturally improve your listening skills, but also your grammar, your vocabulary, your ideas. Absolutely everything is going to improve. Second thing, vocabulary. The listening test is as much a vocabulary test as it is a listening test, because often you will have to listen out for synonyms and paraphrases, and the answer will actually be dependent on your knowledge of vocabulary. For example, you might get 3 different questions and there's 3 different options, and the question is dependent on you knowing the difference in meaning between 3 or 4 different words. So if you want to improve your listening scores, improve your vocabulary. The third thing that you need to do is you need to familiarize yourself with all of the different types of listening questions. For example, table completion or multiple choice questions. These are all different types of questions that test different sub-skills, and you should have a strategy for all of these different types of questions. You shouldn't be sitting there on exam day and be completely surprised by what is coming up. You should be very familiar with all of the different types. Finally, what you need to do is you need to do a few practice tests. I would recommend doing about 3 or 4 practice tests under exam conditions, and then analyze your mistakes. What mistakes are you making? Probably a pattern will start to emerge. So what I mean by that is you'll start to notice that there might be problems with particular types of questions, or you might notice that you're getting the wrong answer because of spelling, or because of vocabulary, or because of strategy, or because of time management. Figure out what your main weaknesses are and then attack those main weaknesses. And then if you turn your weaknesses into strengths, then you're going to improve your listening scores. And if you follow those 4 steps, your scores are going to definitely improve. But get listening. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.